Hello everyone, how are you? We have been meeting after a very long time. Now you are in 8th standard. Last year I taught you English. This year also I am going to take your English of 8th standard and a very warm welcome to you, all of you. There are 4 units to your subject: Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. In first unit, there are 4 topics. There are 4 topics in first unit. And first, it is poem. What is the first? First is poem. A Time to Believe 1.1. Its name is A Time to Believe. What is the name of poem? A Time to Believe. Now let us see this poem with warming up. Warming up, what is given here in warming up? Let us see. Think, choose, and fill up the labels with what a sunrise symbolizes. Sunrise. Sunrise means rising time of the sun. Here some words are given here in the bracket: jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, new opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, misery, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises. These are the options given, and these options you have to write in that boxes. In that boxes you have to write the options correctly. Okay. Now second activity is given here. An acrostic is a poem or write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically, straight, vertically. Acrostic means what? A word is given, and for that word you have to write some lines or some words which are related to it. It may be a poem or some lines you can write. For example, here one word is given here. Friend. Friend is a word, and from this F R I E N D. These are the letters in this word friend. Now from these letters, you have to form some lines or some words which are related to this word only. Which is that word? Friend. What is the spelling of friend? F R I E N D. Let us see now here. Friend. Faithful. R. Reliable. Reliable means also faithful. I. Inspiring. E. Encouraging. N. Noble. D. Dedicated. These are the words which are related to friend, and it is formed as an acrostic. Now with your batchmate, means your partner, your friend, group complete the acrostic believe and faith. Believe and faith, these are the 2 words which are given to you for acrostic, for making acrostic. Please note that the words phrase should be more or less related to the topic. You can use a thesaurus for this. Thesaurus, last year you downloaded in the mobile. Yes, from that thesaurus you can find out such related words so that you can write that is what is that word? Believe and faith. These are the 2 words. Okay. Generally, a thesaurus is a reference book that is list words grouped containing together according to similarity of meanings. Means synonyms and antonyms are there. You already referred it. Now this is the warming up. And poem we shall study tomorrow. Okay, poem is big. And you yourself find out the difficult words from this poem and from this warming up, and write in homework their meanings, synonyms and antonyms. This is your homework, and send the homework to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so that I will understand what you are studying. Okay. If you are in difficulty, you can call me or you can ask me on WhatsApp. Bye bye.